Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College. If you are new to my channel, then I would love if you could hit the subscribe button and leave a comment after watching the video if you like the content. This way YouTube would show the video to more people who want to learn about what I'm going to show you now. And as I've always said, these videos are really for people who are just starting out, for beginners. It's not really suitable for those who are already making a lot of sales on eBay. It's for somebody who is just starting out and you need some inspiration and some encouragement to continue or to start. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you the new eBay ad campaign that I'm using. eBay rolled this out, I think it was last year. So I just decided that I'm going to try it out for 5 days to see how it works. So eBay normally before this new campaign they were using the promoted listing, standard promoted listing, to promote your product, and so you could set your bid, how much you want to pay if the item is sold. So you would only make payment if the item is sold through the standard promoted listing. But this new one is a cost per click, so that means if somebody click on your listing, then you will pay for that listing even if the person doesn't make purchase. So that's what I did, and as you can see from the chart here, as you can see, for the last 31 days I've made £126 in sales. And as you can see here, I made a sale February the 14th. I made another one on the 27th. I made another one the 28th, and then the last one I made was the 2nd of March. So 4 sales, and 2 sales came from the new ad campaign that I'm running, which I'm going to show you. That's really what this video is about. But the information you're actually seeing here, these are from like promoted and organic listings. That's the standard promoted listing, and then you have the organic listing, organic search combined. So if I should actually go to marketing, so to get access to your campaigns, you'd click on marketing, and then I normally just go to the dashboard, so I would click on here, and then it would bring this information up. So as you can see, this is the standard promoted listing, and then this is the new one, promoted listing advanced. So this is the one that I'm using, so I'm going to show you this one. But the standard listing is really this one here, where it's quite easy. When you list a product on eBay would ask you if you want to use standard listing to promote it. So that's what you would do, and so far I've had like almost 60,000 impressions from that, 39 clicks, 1 sold. This is like for the last 31 days, and then the sale was £12.35. So if I should click on, like, say for example, the last 31 days, I don't think I can go back far enough. If I say custom, then I'm not going to go into this because I would have to set the dates and all of that. So this is really irrelevant to what this video is about. So as you can see here, like the promoted listing impression, this is in green, and then organic impression. So when people search for your item without any kind of advertising, then you would have it in purple. So as you can see the chart here, obviously the green is going to be above the purple at all times because it will be getting more search or more impressions from promoted listing than the organic listing. And so you can see the information down here, £27.35, 2 sold. And as I say, it's this is going from the last 31 days. So but what I really want to show you is this one, the advanced listing that I just started, and as you can see it's going to be ending today. So as you can see here, promoted listing advanced, so the impression 1390, I got 27 clicks, I got 2 items sold from it, and then the sales total is £34.43. But bear in mind that this figure is revenue, meaning that you would have eBay fees in this, and also if the product is from dropshipping. Obviously these two products are from dropshipping supplier, so they are going to take their fees from this. eBay going to take the fees, so what is left would be the profit that you would get. And obviously it would still be, the amount would still be above what I have here. And this is the cost of the ads so far, what I'm going to pay for ads. And bear in mind that it's also VAT is excluded, so when 20% VAT is added to this, it might amount to around what, maybe £16 I would have to pay in ads. So I would say it's break even. I didn't really lose anything from it, and I'm saying didn't because it's going to end today. I tried it for just 5 days, which is going to be ending today. As you can see, end date the 5th of March 2022. So you can see advertising 26 listings, that's the impression, 27 clicks, I made 2 sales, total 34.43, ad spent £13.06. Now you might be asking, is it easy to set up an eBay ad campaign? It's very easy. I don't know if you have done Pinterest ads before. It's even easier than Pinterest ads, easier than Facebook ads, because eBay does some of the work for you, like choosing the keywords for you. You can choose your own keywords, but they gave the suggested keywords, which of course you wouldn't want to ignore that, because they know more than they would know more about what people are searching for than you really. But you can also give your own keywords. So I just use their suggested keywords. So if I could actually go into like the campaign for you to see how it is set up. So if I click on edit here, because this obviously this is already set up, and the campaign name I just call it dropship products, because I'm only advertising the products that I'm using a drop shipper for. I also have products stored at home here, which I can't wait to get rid of, and then just go fully into drop shipping. But what I did with this campaign, I just chose the dropship products, because I didn't want to be making sales with the products at home, and because I still have my 9-to-5 job, I might not have the time to go to the post office, and you don't want to mess your shop up by not posting people's product on time. So here, this is where you all start. When you click on create a new campaign, then you would get this page, and as you can see, I give it the name dropship products, and then it says you should set your daily budget. So you can start with a minimum of £1, obviously if you are in Europe, and if you are in the US, Canada, and those other countries, then it would be the same, like $1. So that's good, you can start. But the thing about it is that you're not going to get a whole lot of clicks with starting at £1, because some bids can go above even £1. You have to set your bid. So you're going to see later what I'm talking about. So I set mine at £2 to start, but I think the comfortable spot would be from like £3 to £5. Between £3 and £5, you'd actually get more impressions and more clicks, and hopefully more sales. So you set it at whatever you want, and then you would set your date, start date, end date. As you can see, it's ending today, and then you would save it. So let me just click on save to take me to the next stage. So that's the campaign. Now you need to give your ad group a name, so it's very similar to like when you're creating Facebook ads and so on. So if I could click on, let me just go into actions and then click on edit. So here I give the same name for the ad group, and then I'm advertising 26 listings. Now you select the listings, eBay will ask you to list the products or to choose the listings that you want to promote. So that's how I managed to get 26 listings here. And if I click on manage, then it would, which I'm not going to do, it would like take me back to the listings where, you know, I can choose the different products. But obviously this campaign is going to end today. And then this is where I was telling you that it says choose your keywords. Keywords should match search terms that you think buyers will use to find a listing in your ad group. So you can actually allow eBay to suggest keywords for you, which they did here. See, they're suggesting some more keywords for me. And then they give the monthly search for each keyword. Or you can also, you can add your own, as you can see here. So obviously I want things to be easy for me, and I think that eBay would suggest the right keywords really, because some of these keywords I wouldn't even dream of coming up with them. So I just use their suggested keywords. But as you get more advanced with this, you can choose your own keywords for your different listings. So I just chose their keywords and they gave me 122 keywords. And the other part of it is you have to select your match type. So it can be exact match or phrase match. So the exact match is basically like, take for example door canopy. So if you have this door canopy, that would, somebody would have to type this for your listing to show. If it's like canopy door, then your listing might not show because it's not, the words are not in order. But for phrase match, you could actually have like canopy door or door canopy. It would be the same thing. It's just switching the words around. But once the words are in the phrase, regardless of where they appear, then your listing will show. So I choose phrase match, and you just have to like try both of them to see which one works best for you. Like exact match, you probably would save more money because somebody has to type the exact thing for your listing to show for people to click on it. So I try it with exact match for this campaign. Probably the next campaign I'll be running, I might use exact match to see how it works out, to see if there's any difference really. And 122 keywords, so all of these keywords I didn't have to choose any, eBay chose them for me. And as you can see, the phrase match here, so you can always, all of these active, you can always switch whichever one you think not performing well. And over here you would have your suggested bids. So eBay would suggest bids for you between, like for this one, they are suggesting 47 pence, but it's between 26 pence to £1.12. So what I would actually do, and you notice I have it at £1.11. What I would actually do, if I'm thinking, no, I'm not going to pay so much for this bid, then you could set your own. Probably you set it at 26 pence or 28 pence. So some of these I did it, as you can see, all of these with 15 pence I just went through and changed them. So you don't necessarily have to use eBay bid, but if you want just to see how things work out, you can do it. But remember, like in this case, if you were just setting like £1 per day, you notice you would not even get any click really, because this covers even more than £1. So that's why I was saying £3 to £5 really better for you, or you would have to set your own bid. So you can always edit these. Obviously mine is ending today, so I just leave this as it is, and then you click on save. You can even export the keyword file, so you can view this on what you call it now, your spreadsheet. And if I click save, then that's basically it. You just click, and then within 2 hours your campaign would start. So if I go to the dashboard, this is the result of it after 5 days. So you can see I made 2 sales from it, 27 clicks. The sale conversion rate is 7.41%, and the click-through rate is 1.94%. So I would say I break even for this. So it wasn't really a bad 5-day campaign, because I've made 2 sales, and the sales are, are more than what I spend on ads. And as you can see the chart here, like on the 26th of February, 342 impressions, then the 27 314, then the 28 47, then 1st of March 17, the 2nd of March 269 impression, then the 3rd of March 184, then yesterday 152, and then today so far is 65, so it will be ending today. And I've made 2 sales, so it's not really bad. So I'm going to actually try to step it up and see what can result from it. So I just did 5 days. You could actually do it for 31 days to see the results, but you really have to pay attention to your ad spend, because you don't want to be getting a lot of clicks and not making sales, because you would be losing out there. So you have to check on that, but it's all up to you and what you want to do. And then you can create new campaign by clicking here. Yeah, so that's really it for this video. So I'm just showing you this new advertising system that eBay rolled out, and I think it's good because I really wanted them to have some kind of advertising similar to like Etsy, where you can advertise and use their own platform to advertise. You don't necessarily have to go to Facebook and other platforms to advertise for your eBay product. You can use the same platform, and this, I think this is more effective than the promoted listing, the standard promoted listing. Yeah, so it's good. So I hope this helps, and as I said guys, if this video is helping you, just leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. We are over 400 subscribers now, and so the more you share this video and the more you comment and the more you like the video, other people will see it, and then it will encourage me to do more videos like this, because remember, we are all new. I'm really not ahead of you. We are on the same level, and the little that I know, I'll just share it with you. So thanks again for watching, and catch you in another video.